Hello everyone, this is Amit. In this video we'll learn how you can set default language in Notepad++. In Notepad++, when you try to create a new file, like going from File and New, or clicking on this icon, it always by default creates just a regular text document or text file. You can see it right here. And you can go to language and you can see it is always set to normal text. Now, if you're working with a particular file format frequently, let's say HTML or Python, it might be a good idea to always set your default language when you create a new file to be that file format, right? And one of the reasons why it might be useful is, let's say I always work on HTML, and if I just type HTML, you can see that I don't get the syntax highlighting or auto-completion, all the other features, until I save this file as HTML file. And so it might be a good idea to change your default language in Notepad++. It is actually pretty easy to do that. So let's try. Go to Settings, and we'll go to Preferences. And if you look at this new document, and right here it says default language, it is set to none. So let's go ahead and change it to HTML. Okay, and click Close. Now I'm going to close this, and I'm going to create a new file. Now you can go to File and New. You can click on this icon, or even you can click on or double click on these tab, and it should create a new file. Now if you notice, previously it was a normal text file, but now you can see that it is set to HTML file. Now I can also confirm that by going to language, and you can see that this is set to HTML by default. And the advantage you will see immediately is if I do HTML, see, I can see all the tags and with the syntax highlighting, and I don't even have to save the document right away. I mean, eventually you would, but at least you can see the tags and so on. Also, the reason why these HTML tags are completed is because I have a setting that is set to complete the tag. So if I go to Settings again, go to Preferences, and right here it says Auto Completion, and they have an option right here. You can see HTML, XML, close tag. And so, but this only works when Notepad++ realize that the document you are working on is an HTML file. And that is the reason why we tried it previously with a normal text. It didn't work, right? So let's try one more time. We will change this settings to Python. So let's go to Settings again, go to Preferences, go to New Document, and this time we will set it to Python. And click Close. Let's go ahead and click New File, and then let's say I am just typing some Python script, and you can see again the syntax highlighting is set to identify as a Python language. And if I go to language, you can see that it is set to Python. So this simple trick can really help you set your default language in Notepad++ if you work on a particular file format all the time. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please click on the like button and check out my channel. I have a lot of videos about Notepad++ and programming in general. And if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. All right. Thank you. Bye.